Welcome ladies and gents. So a bit of a quick impromptu video today. The Z is getting ready for sale. I know, it's going to shock a lot of people. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, you really should, because I've teased on Instagram I bought another car. This is to replace the Z. It's a new daily driver. It's classified as an exotic car. It's actually one of my dream cars. It was one of the cars I said I would only ever sell the Z for. That, spoiler alert, as well as the 400Z, the brand new Z. It's not that, they're not bringing it to the country. But I managed to find a really good deal on something else, so I bought it. So I'm selling the Z. Not that that's important, but that's what I am also doing today. So that's actually now ready. But whilst I was doing that, something else arrived. And we've got the box cutter, because it's actually the brand new bumper for the Pulsar. So I thought we would just unbox it together. I've not seen it yet. I just checked whether it wasn't snapped to either end, but I've not unboxed it. I've not seen it in person. So let's go and unbox it, see what this is like. I'm not going to put it on the Pulsar today, I don't have time. But let's at least have a look at it. This is a discontinued... I mean, it's all discontinued. It's for the Pulsar. Fucking idiot. It's a discontinued Crazy Hornet. Ordered from Japan. Arrived in about 5 days. So pretty good. On Yahoo Auctions. Via like an intermediate place. So let's unbox it. Let's go. So yes, I know, ladies and gents, you're all going to be really sad to see this go. I know, I am. But she's all clean. She's all ready for it. Well, yeah, she's pretty clean. I love this car, but I've got something nicer now. I'll leave you running there. Alright. So, like I said, just flip this part of the camera out. Look at now. So what I did do was just check either end that it wasn't snapped, because obviously structure and stuff. And along here. Oh, Jasper, you coming out and have a look at them? Well, are you? So, should be able to just pull it out now, hopefully. Okay, two parts, because there's a grill as well, apparently. So, oh, Jesus Christ! It's not broken. It's probably going to be now, isn't it? So we've got this part first. This is almost like a centerpiece grille, similar to I guess what they cut out of the OEM ones. So but it's fairly okay packaged. Never ordered anything from Japan before. Could have been better. Alright, yeah. Oh, it's not broken. Cool. So literally just a centerpiece. Yeah, alright, I mean it's fiberglass, so kind of what you expect really. Pop that there. And get this open. See some damage there, but that's looks like it's been scraped along the floor. This is all going to be resprayed anyway, so I don't really mind that much. It's more if like it's actually damaged, you know, the whole thing is damaged. Oh, I see grill. We've got some grills. Nice. Let's grab you down here. Have a look at it with me. So you see some grill there. Got a hot dog. It is warm today, isn't it, mate? So, right, let me get this completely done, and then I'll show you it all in its actual glory. And there, we have it. There we go, ladies and gents. Crazy Hornet. Never heard of them before. Don't really care. But apparently they are a brand. And I think this sits in here. Like that, I think. Something like that, maybe. Probably. I don't know. Alright, so anyway, here we have it, ladies and gents. Pretty happy with that. I think that looks really, really good. It's in pretty good condition. So, little paint chips and stuff like that along here. The scratches are actually on the underside. That's fine, don't really care about that. And this, like I said, it's all going to be resprayed anyway. This sort of centre garnish, I'm guessing, like, slots in there by the looks of it. So weird. Yeah, I mean, I guess it just sits there. Sort of like that for your license plate. Odd. Maybe there'll be somewhere on. Maybe it's upside down. Maybe it's like. Yeah, it's like that. Oh, that's better. No, is it? I have no idea. Maybe it's like that. Who cares? It looks cool. Like this a lot. I'm guessing it's like that. And then you can... No. Not really bolt that anywhere either. Maybe it is the other way. Peculiar. I'm guessing there's a panel in the Pulsar, which means you can sort of bolt it to a panel. But either way, this is good. I'm happy with this. I was a bit dubious about ordering something from Japan. Just because of shipping and damage and stuff. The only thing which is damaged, which they listed anyway, is a little bit in here. Just it. I really don't care about that. I think I can handle that. That can get fixed up anyway. Bit of Bondo, bit of fiberglass work, that's fine. But it does look cool. Happy with that. Good bumper. Very, very good. So quick impromptu video. So like I say, quick impromptu video just because it arrived. I wasn't planning on filming today. Story with the Z, I'll explain in another video properly. This new car, I plan to do like a really cinematic video on, because this is like the culmination of like 6 to 7 years work to be able to get this car. Because obviously, you know, a lot of you don't know what I do or anything like that, but suffice to say it's like 6 to 7 years work, hard graft to acquire the vehicle, which is just outside that gate. So I kind of want to make it a bit special, the video for it. And it is a special car as well, so it deserves a special video. It's so hot. So hot. Anyway, I'm going to get the bumper inside, get it out of the way. Cool little bumper. Next video with the Pulsar will probably be trying to install that, I think. if I've got it in time, because it's going to get a CV boot done as well next week. So I might be able to do it in time, might not. And then it's in for tuning this month as well, and it's a new fuel tank, which will be cool. So anyway, hit subscribe, like, video, share, all that garbage crap stuff that we need to do here on YouTube. But thank you so much. If you don't already, follow me over on Instagram, like I said, because this will be like days after I've already got the car, and people already know that I've got the car. They don't know what it is, but they know I've got the car. So follow me on Instagram, links in the description box. Thanks so much. Love you, bye.